Next one we're going to do is a dragon. Dragon rolls in the mud. I mean, that's not the complete name for this exercise, but that's what I remember, okay? When I learned this from Larry Wong, okay? So this one, the legs kind of go back a little bit here, so I'll just show the legs first. So the legs, so we kind of step back, so I'm going to take my right leg and step it behind my left, so I kind of step back like this. And for my balance, my arm can kind of go up here to keep my balance, and then I'm going to switch sides, okay? Come back to starting position, left leg goes behind the right, okay? Arms are up to keep my balance here, okay? And you just keep doing that. Breathe naturally as you do this. You know, look where you need to look to keep your balance. If you need to look at your arms, you look at your arms, okay? Which is what I'm gonna do, okay? Helps me keep my balance here. You know, as far as how far you go down, you know, just pay attention to your knees and your ankles. Do what's comfortable. If all you can do is this, do that, okay? That's okay. You do that, okay? So we're just kind of warming up here. This is kind of like the beginner version of it, okay? Now I'm gonna advance it a little bit, okay? So I'm here, so I let my arms roll. Then I step back, sword fingers, and I look at my fingers, and I come back up, roll the arms, step to the side, sword fingers, going out like this. So sword fingers is 2 fingers like this, okay? So rolling again. Okay. You know, if that's too much of a challenge for you, you could break it up. You could just do the legs one part, and just do the arms here. Get the movements down individually. And then when you're ready, you can put them together like this. This movement reminds me of the bagua, you know, the sword form done in Kung Fu, but not as elaborate. Okay. This is a good stretch, you know, for your legs and as well as you're doing this, your side body. Okay, so there's a more advanced version of this. Okay, I'll show you that one real quick here. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna let your feet kind of go side to side. So you're here, so you come in like this, come in like this. You kind of do this movement here, adding in the dragon movements with it, okay? But this is the basic idea. Okay, so what would that look like? It would look like something like this. So I'm here, I go arms roll, 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 down. Come back up, roll, 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 down. Yeah. Okay, you gotta find the rhythm here to do it. As I'm saying it, I have to find my rhythm. There it is. Okay, so roll, roll, roll. You can let your arms go wide if you need to. The sword fingers is a little too much to keep track of with your brain. Yeah, it's a lot. You can wait to do the sword fingers until you go into the down position, as I'm doing right now. Okay, just do a couple more. Okay, last one. And you come back to starting position. Okay, so that was dragon rolls in the mud with some variations. Okay.